Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, which is a collaboration that B&D Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Designs is hosted. We are on week 8, which is November 20th. And if you watched the previous video, I upcycled a serving tray that I was given by Scott's aunt and uncle, and I did another one. This one's a little different. I kind of went out of my comfort zone on this project, and I classify myself a mixed media artist. And with mixed media, it's just it's easy to me. I just love getting paint down on a canvas or whatever I choose to do: stamps, canvas, paint, ink, alcohol, you name it. Comes to drawing something, I suck at it. I can't draw. So, with this project, I did draw a little bit to the best of my ability. I think it did pretty good. Let's see. Voila! I painted, guys. So, same thing. I painted the tray with black gesso. Let that dry. Painted it again with black. And then when it came to doing what I wanted to do here, I kind of just took my pencil and drew like the snowbank, kind of free-handed the circles. You know, I just did like an outline with my pencil. The tree I did freehand, but the circles I kind of did with a pencil, and the hat. And so as you can see, I have many layers of paint on this because I wanted the snowman to look like he was kind of chunky and fluffy. See if you can see the... And then even the snowbank I got going the same way. So I did the snowman and put some shadow so you could see the different little parts of the snowballs. And then the shadow on the hat. I got a band and some holly going on his hat. The tree I'm not as happy with. But it's the effect that matters. And then I have his little arms. It's coming off the side right here. And then I splattered it. And then I kind of just did a little dab so it looks like it's snowing. And that is the little plate I did. I think he looks cute. My husband said I did a good job. He did make me redo the nose because my nose looked funky. And then he helped me kind of shape it better. So I redid the nose. But other than that, that's what he looks like. And like I said, you just take a bottle top to use as a hanger, and I will do that later. So there we go. That's this week's project. I like it. It's Christmassy to me. Can hang it up on the walls, a little scenery. I even got my initials right there so they know I did it. Like I said, I don't draw. But I think I did pretty good because I drew the circles in the snowbank. The arms were easy. The hat and the little hat. The hat's a little funky, but hey. He's a snowman. So that's this one. I'll show it to you once again. So like I said, if you see something, always think in your head, maybe I can make it into something else. Upcycle. Like right here I had a plain canvas, a tray. Just a little gesso, and wham. Here we go. So I want to thank you guys. I hope you've been liking these projects that I've been doing for this collab. I've been having fun. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks left, guys. 4 weeks. It's hard to believe. 4 weeks of the collab, and then it's Christmas. I am pre-recording these as I do these projects, so I am always ahead of time. You're seeing this on the 20th, and I am actually recording on the 14th of October. That's how far ahead of my own projects. But it's fun. Plus, I want to hang them up during my Christmas. You know? So I thought, hey, I'm going to get it going so I can use them. So I want to thank each and every one of you that have been coming in, leaving comments. I greatly appreciate them. And if you like anything you see, please let me know in the comments. I greatly appreciate it. As always, people that are participating in this collab are in the description box below, so go over and visit and see what they did. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.